it be Autumn Breeze? Oh, now Holland Sass wants to get in on it. Okay, is she going to be too late or will she pass her up? Who's it going to be? Oh, you're gonna... Oh, it's obviously a play date down here on the... Oh, this might be the cutest baby crawl race we've ever witnessed here at the Smoothie King Center.